Good morning mga kapatid, ako po si Mr. Toots Damasco from the province of Pangasinan. I've been doing this business for the last 2 years. Alam niyo, may good news ako sa inyo. Ang good news ay ito, my good faith na. Nakakatuwa rito sa Good Mate, in a matter of 3 months, nakakuha ko ng libreng kotse. So ano pang inaantay niyo? Sali na!
Hi, good morning. I'm Miss Mercy Tumbaga from the province of Luna, Apayao. I'm doing this business for the last 2 years. Gusto niyo bang kumita kagaya ko? Check niyo ang website at www.mygoodfaith.com. Sali na!
Hi, I'm Cari Origino. I'm an architect by profession and also a businessman. And we're here at Good Faith, together with my wife and my daughter. And we have generated a substantial amount of income in the past few months that we're here, enjoying the products and enjoying the benefits. Come join us. Be a part of Good Faith.
Hi, I'm Muppet Origino. I'm an HR management consultant. What do I like about Good Faith? It has all the 4 Gs that I'm looking for in a company. It has good products, good management, good system, but the best part, it has a very good compensation plan. So, what are you waiting for? Join us!
Good Faith morning, I'm Eric Santos from Quezon City. Dating tambay dahil sa Good Faith, gumanda ang buhay. Dito sa Good Faith ang maganda, walang tinitingnan na qualification. Kahit sino, pwede. Kaya kayo dyan, na nasa bahay, ini-invite ko po kayo dito sa Good Faith. Dahil dito sa Good Faith, tiyak ko ang pag-asenso nyo.
Hi, I'm Ben Staway, an entrepreneur and at the same time event director. I'm inviting you to be part of Good Faith. Dito, all your dreams are achievable and doable. Napakaganda ng management system at at the same time, napakaganda ng opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's join.
Good Faith morning, friends! Hi, I am Jane Garcia. I'm a financial consultant by profession and I'm doing the business part-time but wholeheartedly. I'm so excited inviting you to be part of our growing Good Faith company and let's raise ourselves to help mankind. Great opportunity, great business, let's make things happen.
Good morning, my name is Mel. I'm a proud member of Good Faith. Mga Dabarkads, pagka ginawa niyo yung Good Faith, sigurado, payaman tayo rito. Tara na!
Good morning! I'm Arnold Alberto, one of the leaders ng Good Faith. More than 8 months na namin ginagawa itong business na to. Husband and wife kami. Isa akong contractor and businessman. And ano ba nakita ko dito? Nakakatuwa kasi napakaganda ng negosyo. Kung gusto mo maghanap ng negosyo na something nakakaiba, something na walang sakit ng ulo, something na less ang overhead, try to check Good Faith. Napakagandang pagkakakitaan.
Good Faith morning! Hi, my name is Marlon Adriano, a former OFW as a seaman. Do you want to achieve your dreams without leaving your family? Come and join us here at Good Faith because you deserve the best. Sama-sama tayo dito.
Hi, I'm Melissa Chua. Do Good Faith Network Marketing. Sobrang enjoy dito. Ang daming magagandang product and sobrang magbe-benefit tayo through health. And in terms of income, grabe, ang bilis ng result. So, come and join us.